All right, news coming in. Maharashtra has decided to lift all COVID restrictions, and the big headline is that Maharashtra's health minister has said that wearing a mask is not mandatory anymore. However, he's also urged caution. He's urged people to wear masks, but in the state of Maharashtra, you will not be fined if you are found without a mask. So this is the big headline as far as the state of Maharashtra is concerned, that Maharashtra's health minister has said that wearing a mask is not mandatory anymore. It is voluntary. But he has also urged people to wear masks. My colleague Disha joins us on the broadcast. Disha, we have been reporting for days that the Maharashtra government and the state task force are in a conversation to lift these curbs, but nobody had anticipated that the mask mandate would be withdrawn. What is the latest that you can share with us?
Well, certainly it is not going to be an April Fool Days joke, Archana, because this is going to be the fact that the Maharashtra government has made wearing masks optional. So this is the first state in the country to do so, is what we understand. So from April 2nd, that is from this week Saturday onwards, if you are out in a public place without a mask, then you won't be fined in any city of the state of Maharashtra. So this is perhaps the biggest news that we are hearing, and this is coming right after 2 years of the pandemic. Remember, the last 2 years we saw wearing of mask compulsory. The last 1 year we saw double dose vaccination needed to travel in public places. But now what we understand, all of this COVID-19 restrictions have been lifted. Now in the state of Maharashtra, if you want to travel in a local train and if you have been vaccinated only with 1 dose, then also you will be allowed to travel. You'll be allowed to visit to a theater to watch a movie. You can go to a shopping mall to shop. So this is something which is coming in before Gudi Padwa, and it is definitely bringing in a new year, for the citizens living in Maharashtra. We'll try and speak to people out here. We are here with some senior citizens. We'll try and ask them about what do they really have to say about this new rule that has been come into picture. Thank you हमारे चैनल पे बात करने के लिए। सर, आज महाराष्ट्र सरकार का एक नया रूल आया है कि अब से मास्क पहनना मैंडेटरी नहीं होगा, मतलब कंपलसरी नहीं होगा, वो भी अप्रैल 2 से। मतलब आपकी मर्जी, अगर आप कोई क्राउडेड प्लेस में हो, आप पहन सकते हो या नहीं पहन सकते हो, आपको फाइन नहीं किया जाएगा। आपको क्या कहना है इसके ऊपर?
नहीं मैडम, फाइन तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए। बाकी मास्क तो अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए डालना है, सो इसमें कोई नुकसान भी नहीं है। नहीं डालो तो भी कोई बात नहीं है।
बट अगर आप कोई क्राउडेड प्लेस में हो तो आप इंश्योर करोगे कि आप डालोगे, इवन इफ अगर रूल है कि नहीं है?
नहीं, रूल होवे ना होवे, अगर क्राउडेड प्लेस है तो मैं तो जरूर डालूंगा। बाकी हर एक की अपनी इच्छा है।
थैंक यू। आपका क्या कहना है सर? सेम
बोला उन्होंने, बेस्ट बोला कि भाई कहाँ भी जाओ मास्क पहन के रखो, अपना अच्छा है, बेटर अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए। दैट्स ऑल राइट, पहन लो, अच्छी बात है।
सर, आपका क्या कहना है? सॉरी, आपको फोन पे डिस्टर्ब कर रही हूँ। मास्क अभी पहनना कंपलसरी नहीं होगा, मास्क अभी पहनना कंपलसरी नहीं है महाराष्ट्र में। आप कहीं पे भी ट्रैवल करोगे तो अभी पब्लिक प्लेसेस में भी अभी मास्क पहनना कंपलसरी नहीं है, ऐसा नया ऑर्डर आया। आपका क्या कहना है?
पब्लिक क्या?
पब्लिक प्लेसेस में मास्क पहनना कंपलसरी अभी नहीं होगा सर।
मेरे हिसाब से तो मांगता है, पब्लिक चाहिए।
So this is what we have been, hearing from the citizens. Of course, people now have become habituated with the entire mask aspect. Whenever they are out in public place, they have now become used to wearing masks. So we heard one, senior citizen saying that for his own safety, if he's out in a public place, he will definitely wear a mask. We'll try and speak to few, people out here who are there with their kids. We'll try and talk to the mothers out here as to what they think about this new rule. मैम, हम सबसे यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं, आपसे भी बात करना चाह रहे हैं। आज महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने नया रूल निकाला है कि अभी मास्क पहनना कंपलसरी नहीं होगा। आई नो, बट अभी क्या है, अभी आपको फाइन नहीं किया जाएगा। नाउ इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी कंपलसरी, बट अभी वॉलंटरी। आपका क्या कहना है इसके ऊपर?
एक्चुअली मैं पहले भी नहीं मानती थी मास्क पहन।
Same here. I can't wear actually. I have a breathing issue, so I can't wear mask. So it's good if government is like अभी नहीं है compulsory, so it's very good for me even actually.
Thank you. What do you have to say?
It's fine actually. If they are saying we have to wear, it's fine. People actually don't even wear it properly. So if you are wearing it or not wearing it, it's like nothing as such. If I see when I go in the train, when I go to the office, I see people are just wearing it till here. So what use? You're wearing it till here or wearing it till here or wearing it. So no use. I work in a college, many of the people come around, but I never think like that sort of a thing. Once you start going daily to the office or once you start going daily outside, really you don't get the fear of getting corona or something like that. I really hope now again the lockdown should not come and we should have a lively life again.
Thank you so much. So, we are getting mixed reactions, from the people out here. Of course, few senior citizens we spoke to, they say that now even like if they step out, they will wear. But few of the mothers we spoke to, they are saying that they have left, wearing masks long time ago. So it does not really matter if the new rule has come into place or not. So this is the word, of course, coming in from the Mumbaikars. But definitely from April 2nd, we are going to look at a scenario where if you step out in a crowded place, in a public place, you won't find, those BMC volunteers finding you. You won't find anything of that. And now you can travel in any public place without any restriction.
Absolutely. An interesting feedback there, Disha. I heard a lot of people there, interesting things they had to say. We are also joined by Abhishek on the broadcast and Sandeep as well. Abhishek is joining us from nearby Mantralaya. Abhishek, a very big decision. Maharashtra is the first state in the country to withdraw the mask mandate. However, the state health minister has urged people to continue wearing the mask. For the benefit of our viewers, could you share more details about this crucial meeting that was held and the rationale that has been adopted by the government in order to say that masks are not mandatory anymore?
I am at Sahyadri Guest House, where the crucial cabinet meet has just got over, and an announcement of the meeting, the outcome of the meeting was briefed by the Health Minister of the state, Mr. Rajesh Tope, where he first clearly said that all the COVID restrictions from April 2 will be eased out in Maharashtra. Though he also expressed that we are removing all restriction, but CM, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, has appealed to all the citizens of Maharashtra to please follow COVID protocol. That means definitely to maintain social distancing, to sanitize their hands and wear masks. Second important decision which he spoke out in the press conference was that in Maharashtra, the mask mandate will go. It will not be mandatory for the people of Maharashtra to wear masks, though it will be voluntary. And he also said, as a health minister of Maharashtra...
Abhishek, my apologies. I'll have to interrupt you. Maharashtra's health minister is addressing